There's Daddy. He's out there shoveling. Let's see if we can move these up a little bit. Oh, there he is. Oh, he fell in the snow. Look at that, Bungos. Are you watching Daddy? Oh my goodness, he's playing in the snow. What's he doing, Bungos? Panthra. Are you watching him too? What's Daddy doing? What's he doing out there? There he goes, shoveling. You know, Bunny's watching too. What's he doing, you guys? What's he doing? What's he doing? Oh, look at him out there. He's really snowy. We're going to go out there soon. We're going to go out there. He's making a path so you guys can have somewhere to stand out there. You don't get lost in the snow. What's Panther doing over there? Still looking. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. What's he doing, guys? What's he doing out there? Making noise. He's making some noise. Oh, Mommy's happy she doesn't have to shovel. Thank you, Dad. Hi, Dad. Oh, that looks fun. I think you guys should do that when you go outside, don't you? You jump in the snow. Panther, I know you won't do that. Maybe you boys will try it, but not you, Panther. You don't like to be cold, do you? Okay. Say goodbye to the camera. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bungos. Bye, Bunny. Bye, Dad. Oh, hold on. Bye, Panthra. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye, Bungos. Bungos. Look over here. Psst, psst.